Hello, everybody. Here we are, Monday. It is 11/26, 2018. And a new week of trading has begun the day after Thanksgiving. I'm sorry, the week after Thanksgiving. We did have one day of trading that occurred the Friday after Thanksgiving for, call it a half a day. It stopped at 4 o'clock. No, stopped at 1 o'clock on Friday. I had a little piece of that market. What I did was I bought an option for CF, Charlie Frank. It's a fertilizer company. I've been trading for a while. Pretty fun stock to trade. But yeah, so I bought a cheap option. It cost me a little over $100, like $110. In fact, I'll show you it here on the screen here. There's my work again. You don't want to see that. And you can see it again. Apologies. So here we are. If you look at my monetary, in fact, you can't see my screen. Sorry about that. Let's see. Where the heck are you? Right there. Boom, boom. Yeah, so click this, click this. You're probably going to see some crazy stuff for a second. We're going to move that out of the way. All right. Yeah, here we are. So yeah, so here's Thinkorswim. Here's my account. So here's what I did. I bought the CF on, I don't know if it'll tell me here. It doesn't look like it, but I bought it on Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving. And I was looking at the market, so we'll take a look at the chart here for CF, and you can see we were right around this area here, hovering around here. And I figured, well, I'm going to buy it to short. I was going to buy it to long because it's been going up and down, up and down. It's got like a little channel here, but I figured, well, it's resisted. Here's your high, had a lower low, a lower high here. Right here, lower high, and it had a lower low. So I figured, well, let's go for, to short it. Let's buy, but I'm not sure what it's going to do, so I didn't want to buy stock. So let's buy an option, and let's go ahead and let's buy a put option. The put option, for anybody who don't know, we're buying an option for it to go down. And so as you can see today, it's up. And it's because I didn't follow the golden rule of trading and to make profit, which is release, sell the stock, don't get greedy, sell the stock whenever, you're in a profit margin that is relative to the amount of money you put in for the stock. I basically got greedy and, wanted more out of what I put in for the stock or for the investment, and it backfired on me. So, if you anytime that I follow that golden rule, I make a profit. So when you're in the profit and it's relative to what you bought, whatever that investment costs you. So in this case, it cost me $110. The day after the Friday, 2 days later, on $100, I think I was up about 50 or 60 bucks. And so I said, well, let's do what we always, let's do what we're supposed to do. Let's sell it out. Let's not try to make a bunch of money. However, at the time, I made a mistake. I held on to it, and I said, it's going to go down further. Let's let it go down further. I said, well, it's only $100. I'm either going to make a lot more, or I'm only going to lose 100. Bad concept, because I'm in it to make money, like we all are. So so the golden rule: if you're in a profit that's relative to the stock, sell it. Don't get greedy. You can always buy back in when you figure something out. That's my opinion. Again, I'm not a professional. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm basically telling you what I feel is the right thing to do to make profit in the stock market. But yeah, as you can see today, this is the option I have. I'm controlling 100 shares, and so it's one contract. It expires on the 30th. Today's the 26th. So I'm going to hang on to it. I got a break-even point here at $43. So it's got to go down to at least $43 for me to break even. I still feel, looking at this, at this, it got lower lows here. Now it could bounce up. I thought about buying something for the upside, but I'm sort of saying to myself, this is not, this is still can come down. I mean, just looking at, if we look at Facebook, I'm pretty sure everything is up today. Let's just take a look here. Facebook, yeah, Facebook's up positively. 3 points, nice. They got a little hammer here. There's a hammer right there. So, I thought about buying in on that. I wanted to see. We're looking at a week. It's a weekly chart. So let's go ahead and look at a 5 day, 1 day, 5 years. See what we see here. We do have some sort of no hammer here, but we definitely got some sort of reversal pattern going on here. Well, not a reversal pattern. I wouldn't go that far to say, I guess, but it's looking stronger. We got a little resistance here. If we look at the overall market, well, let's just look at the ES. We're at an all-time high here. A little resistance. We're kind of at a new high here. So it's possible that, we're not at the bottom of a bounce. We could be at the top of resistance. So I'm not going to make any moves right now. I'm going to sort of sit on hands right now. But yeah, we'll see how this looks. We'll check back in tomorrow. I'm going to hang on to it. I mean, for $100, I'm down 50. The option most I can lose is $100, $110 with this option. So I'm already down 50, half of it. I still got another few days left. I still think the market's going to come down a little bit. I don't feel like I feel like we're certainly in a bear market here. So, so that's where it is for now, and we'll see. We'll check back. But yeah, I just kind of want to give you an overview on where I'm at, what I've done so far, and hopefully here shortly we'll be able to get a lot more trades going on. Just sort of trying to build up a little bit of momentum with this whole video editing. There's no editing; it's straight live stuff. So I do apologize if any of it comes off like third grade material. Not to insult the third graders, but it is what it is. Anyways, I hope you guys are making a ton of money out there. I hope you're making some big moves, and I'll talk to you again soon. Peace.